Hi everyone, today I'm sharing the best anti-aging essential oils and natural oils that nourish your skin, strengthen your skin barrier, even out your skin tone and bring back that youthful glow. Whether you are struggling with dryness, irritation or signs of aging, these natural oils can make a real difference. Stay tuned, I'm showing you at the end simple DIY blends you can start using today. And I also have purchase link below so that you know where to purchase them if you want to. I used to have eczema rosacea on my face with dry, flaky and splotchy skin. Nothing worked until I discovered skin nourishing essential oils and natural oils. They heal my skin and have kept my skin wrinkle-free. Your skin deserves the purest nature has to offer. Let's explore powerful yet gentle ingredients perfect for dry, sensitive, and mature skin. First, let's talk about essential oils that deeply nourish your skin. Rose geranium. Rose geranium has similar chemical components as rose essential oil without the price tag. This essential oil is steam distilled from leaves, so it has a floral scent, uplifting and calming. So it also high in geranium, which is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. This oil balances sebum production, meaning if you have excessive sebum production, it will help reduce. And if you have dryness, it will help increase the sebum production. It also promotes cell regeneration, restores skin barrier, perfect for dry skin, eczema, or psoriasis. Geranium also has a gentle stimulating effect on the lymphatic system, so it helps with the puffiness, especially when combined with gentle massage. Frankincense. Frankincense is steam distilled from the resin. It has this woody pine-like scent. It's high in monoterpenes. It helps the essential oils penetrate deeper into the skin. Frankincense is known for its anti-aging properties for decades. This oil reduces wrinkles, tightens skin, and promotes cell turnover. Amazing for dry, mature, and inflamed skin such as eczema. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is distilled from the wood. It has this sweet, woody aroma, high in terpenes. This oil moisturizes the skin, reduces redness, even out skin tones, and must-have for mature and aging skin. So this is a very expensive oil. Always buy from reputable suppliers to avoid adulteration. There's a link in my description to the essential oil company I purchased from. Check it out. If it's not within your budget, you don't have to use it. The other oils will deliver similar benefits. Lavender. Lavender is steam distilled from the flowers. It has this floral, herbal aroma, high in linalool acetate and linalool. This essential oil is versatile, balancing and calming, reduce inflammation and soothes irritation and promotes healing. Great for any skin type, so it blends beautifully with most oils. Now, before you rush to slaughter essential oils on your skin like many people do on the social media, there is one crucial step you must take. Essential oils are highly concentrated and potent and must be diluted properly before applying to the skin. It takes 45 lemons to make one 50 milliliter bottle of lemon essential oils and 30 pounds of lavender flower to make one 50 milliliter bottle of lavender essential oils. That's how concentrated and powerful they are. So using them undiluted can cause irritation or even burns. That's why carrot oils come in. I have a video about 4 biggest mistakes people make when using essential oils for the face. You can watch it over here. Carrot oils are derived from the fatty portion of the plants like nuts and seeds. They help carry the essential oils safely into the skin to provide their own nourishing, moisturizing benefits. The following 3 oils are amazing for dry, sensitive, and mature skin. If you find value in this video so far, please like and subscribe for more natural skin tips. Pomegranate oil is high in polyunsaturated fatty acids. This is one of the most powerful plant-based antioxidants known. It supports the skin's natural repair process. It helps to protect the skin from environmental damage, promote collagen production, improve elasticity, and reduce appearance of wrinkles. Raspberry seed oil, like pomegranate seed oil, is rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids. It's light, so it's quick absorption, protect from harmful UV ray due to its rich in vitamin E. Rosehip seed oil is rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, so it has a great antioxidant. Known for its regenerative properties, rosehip seed oil helps to reduce appearance of scars and hyperpigmentation. It's also very moisturizing, great for mature skin. Use it up to 10%. Or you can use favorite unscented lotion and potion. Creating your own essential oil blend is super easy and rewarding. Here's how. Hi everyone! Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a skin serum for the class. And here is a glass 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliter glass bottle. And here is a glass dropper for easy dispensing. First, we add essential oils to the bottle. Now, if you are using lotions like this, if you will weigh out 1 ounce lotions, that's pretty tight, cream or gel, and then you add essential oils to the lotion. Make sure you mix them really well. Some essential oils such tea tree and sweet orange are thin, so they will come out very quickly. Patience is the key to get the number of drops you want. If 1 or 2 extra drops come out, that's okay. Don't worry about it. I have sensitive skin, so I'm going to use the formulas for the sensitive skin. So here I have lavender and Australian sandalwood and Palmarosa. And for carrier oil, I'm going to use red raspberry seed oil mixing with 20% of rosehip seed oil. So now I'm going to add essential oils to the bottle first. That is lavender. I use 2 drops of lavender. You gotta be patient when it comes to essential oils. And then I will add the rest to the bottle. And after I added all the essential oils to the bottle, I'm going to add the carrier oil, and this one is red raspberry seed oil. So I'm going to use 80% in 1 ounce. That'll be 0.8 ounce. You can weigh out on the kitchen scale, or you can just add it, eyeball it, and then 20% of rosehip seed oil. So after you mix them up, make sure you shake it really well. I like to refrigerate the serum to extend its shelf life and keep it cool, and it feels nice when you apply the cool serum to your face. Ready to create your own custom blends? Here are 3 simple yet effective recipes for 1 ounce of carrier oil or lotion. For dry skin, sandalwood is moisturizing, helps with dryness, so we use 2 drops. Rose geranium restores skin barrier, supports skin healing, 1 drop. Lavender, dry skin can be irritated easily. Lavender is soothing and calming, 1 drop. So carrier, here we use unscented lotion or cream, pomegranate seed oil plus 10% of rosehip oil. You don't have to be exact, just a little bit of rosehip seed oil and the rest pomegranate oil. For sensitive skin, we use rose geranium because it helps restore skin barrier. As we know, sensitive skin's skin barrier tend to be compromised, 2 drops. Sandalwood is very moisturizing, 1 drop. Lavender is calming and balancing, 1 drop. Carrier, again, unscented lotion or cream, or pomegranate oil plus red raspberry oil, 1/2 ounce each. For mature aging skin, we combine sandalwood and frankincense because they are deep moisturizing and healing, 1 drop each. Rose geranium restores skin barrier, spore healing, 1 drop. Lavender enhances both, we use 1 drop. Carrier, again, same. You can use pomegranate seed oil plus 10% rosehip seed oil. Again, you don't have to be exact, just a little bit of rosehip seed oil and the rest pomegranate seed oil. Start with 0.5% essential oil concentration. That's about 4 drops per ounce. And gradually titrate to 1%, 8 drops per ounce, or up to 2%, which is 16 drops per ounce if your skin tolerates it well. 3 to 4% is only for spot treatment, not full face. And here is a dilution chart for your reference. Remember, essential oils are highly concentrated, always dilute and dilute. I made a video about 4 biggest mistakes people make when using essential oils for skincare. Be sure to watch to avoid these mistakes. That's it. Natural, simple, and incredibly effective. Which oil blends are you most excited to try? Tell me in the comment below, and don't forget, start low and titrate up slowly. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with a friend who loves natural skincare. See you next time. Thank you for watching.